Saurav and Saurav Talk Shit. Today, this is your first co-host, Saurav.
And your co-host Saurabh.
And today we have on our podcast a special guest, Laksh Beniwal. Please introduce yourself to the public, the five people watching.
It's six now actually. Lakshya
Okay.
Sen.
Quite right.
So
All right.
Lakshya here is a law student and he's an old friend of mine. And the reason we brought him on the show is because he can protect us with legal regiments if things go wrong. Just kidding. It's a
Yes.
fun, light-hearted episode, and we want to get one
Yes.
of my friends I've gotten really fucked with on the show. And it's
Yes.
not just that. So the reason why we had this out of the place different intro today is because of a very special reason. It is the cunt Saurav's birthday.
ये
Wow!
इस ना बहुत खुश लोग like five people watching in the audience. I love you, and I know you love me.
Sure they do. But yeah, back to the podcast. So last episode we covered this interesting topic known as siblings, and while I don't have any siblings, it was a very light-hearted and fun episode to record because it was just like a small trip down memory lane. And while taking trips down memory lane, we realized right now that it's quarantine season, and the most enjoyment that you've probably gotten is by staring at Instagram thoughts and listening to our podcast. Am I right?
Yes, and also going down nostalgia every time because everything good that has happened in your life before quarantine was in the past.
Exactly.
So, so
So,
yes, we are hitting you with another nostalgia episode.
yeah, someone that's
Our
gonna hit
memories.
you hard because you're
Yes,
definitely missing this as much as we are. And if you're not, you're a very good person who's accomplished a lot in life, probably,
yes.
and not ended
What
up
is
like
what
that.
what Saurav's trying to say is you're a virgin and you will never.
Okay, that's not what I'm trying to say. But
Neeraj Sharma ji.
so today we're talking about I'm gonna use the word intoxication.
Yeah, because
Not explicitly saying anything out loud. Our
yes,
loyal friend Lakshya here has forbidden us from saying that.
yeah.
He knows the rules, so do we. So
Huh.
we decided
There
to do
is
this episode because हम चूतिया बैठे हैं. And
hmm.
we miss getting drunk, getting high on various intoxicants, and
Yeah, especially Gamla.
चुप रहे
Uh,
and
Kavi, there's this thing that really interests me, especially A4 size sheet, amazing thing in
चुप
life.
रहे
I want to try it in
fucking
life.
shut the fuck up. Please shut the fuck up. No,
Like,
just
dude, A4 size sheet is amazing to draw on. Like that art on an A4
yeah,
size
man, that
sheet.
is totally what you want to do. You don't want to stick that A4 size sheet right on your tongue, don't you? You want to draw on
I
it.
mean, yeah,
Yeah,
dude. Like,
yeah,
I just want to do good for man. I want to make stickers for everyone.
yeah. You
Who
wanna
don't
get
have.
you wanna get those colorful ones that take you on a colorful trip, because of how beautiful the stickers are. You fucking
Yeah,
cunt.
yeah. Not just that, dude. Like white flower. Yeah, amazing cheese.
Okay, that's
Like,
enough. That's
I mean,
enough.
that's too far, but
Guys,
white flower is amazing.
Okay, listen. We do not condone the use of alcohol or any form of drugs. But if you want to ever do
On
it,
our platform.
just hit us
You
up,
can
man.
come to us.
Yeah, just hit
Yeah,
us
we
up,
we
bro.
have friends with you.
Yeah,
Like if
हम
it's
बैठे
free,
हैं तो नशेड़ी
yes.
कुछ भी करेंगे.
If it's free, we are coming without asking who you are.
Yeah, man.
But
Fucking, you
if
don't have
it's
to
not, we are
worry.
still ready to pay. Like
We're
that's
we're
what we are.
extremely lonely people. We will
Yes.
smoke and drink with you for no reason whatsoever. It's fine.
Yeah.
बस माल मिलने से
Yes.
मतलब है. But
हाँ.
yeah, so Lakshay, my friend, are you alive? Hello? I can't hear him.
Please.
Hello, can you hear me?
Not again, bro. Please.
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you. Yeah, can you talk? Hello?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So, yeah, so like today we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna talk about intoxication. And why don't we start this episode by talking about the first time the three of us got intoxicated together? And before that,
Yes.
Oh,
Saurav didn't know Lakshya, and that's how Lakshya and Saurav met.
Yes.
Lakshya has been my friend for I think around 7, 8 years now. Bro, how long has it been? Pretty fucking
bro, I
long.
think more than that. First grade.
Holy
I'm
shit, we've
getting
known each other
upset.
since that long?
Yeah, 14
Motherfucker!
years. Oh my God.
Holy shit, you're like the oldest friend I have right now.
Surprising.
Bro. Okay, this is a bro moment, guys. We'll have a bro moment meter on this podcast about the amount of bro moments you have.
Yes.
Mm, so, yeah. Here's a small drinking game for you. If you're watching this and you have intoxicants, then take a shot every time you say the word intoxicate or intoxicants.
Hmm.
And if you die by alcohol poisoning, it is not our fault. It's your own risk on which you did this challenge.
We are suggesting games. It is
Yeah,
your
we're just
option
making
whether you
your
want to play it.
experience more fun. But
Yeah.
back to the story, so like the reason why the story is so interesting is because, like I said, Saurav had never met Lakshya before. And for Lakshya and me, it was just another casual of Saurabh and Lakshya meet together, have a bunch of beers, and then remember how much drunk they've gotten. Right, Lakshya?
Yes.
And talk about Dragon Ball Z.
And talk about Dragon
Oh,
Ball Z.
yes.
Yes.
Yes. That conversation was very memorable. I
Yes,
remember this.
so that's just casual Saurabh and Lakshay things because that's how we became friends. But so here's how the story goes. Okay, so like Saurabh and I, like we're fucking we're tight as fuck. Okay, we leave from
Yeah.
our place in an Uber, two grown men sitting in an Uber together, 2 feet apart because it's not gay. That kind of shit. Just okay. Maybe it's
Pride
kind of
month,
gay. I don't
Pride
know.
month, Pride month, Pride month.
I don't
Being gay
know.
is okay. Being gay is okay.
Okay, and
Yeah.
it's kind of gay
No,
now.
actually, bro. No, no. Listen. Actually, edit that shit out. Being very honest. Like, you
No,
know.
we're not homophobic. Chill. Just back to the joke.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah, like we were on our way. We went to this place called La Mafioso. Free sponsorship,
Yeah.
Mafioso. If you want to sponsor us, we're making a restaurant probably popular. Who the fuck knows anyway? But
Yeah. It's in a Bangalore.
yeah, it's in Bangalore. You guys should totally go there. You get like good alcohol for at a very decently cheap price from restaurant standards and really good quality food. I mean, I don't remember eating much. I just remember drinking a lot.
Yeah,
So
and you get hookah for
Precise.
$600.
yeah, and you get
Best
hookah for
part.
600 bucks. That's the best part. Hookah's legal. We
Yes.
didn't we didn't break laws. So
Yeah.
yeah, so like we go there and Lakshay, remember we start the night with a very memorable opening by using Zomato Gold and taking shots. So Lakshay and I here, we're fucking cunts, aren't we, Lakshay?
Yes, we are. And I remember Saurav not in a mood for shots.
Yes,
No, it's not about
you're
not in
a
the mood for
bigger
shots.
cunt. You're a
No, no,
bigger
no.
cunt.
No, no, listen. The reason I didn't do shots was
Mhm.
because I was broke. my my औकात बियर तक था उसके बाद निकल गया dude.
चुप रहे
Like
लौड़े तूने पिज्जा भी
shots.
खाया बाद में
हाँ, but like bro, खाना
हाँ
is more important than drinking for me. Okay,
if you
like
drink too much you don't need food anymore that's all I'm saying but
I like food more, bro. That's all.
Lakshay and
Yeah,
so like we're three people who've come out for dinner on an empty stomach and Lakshay and I always have this tradition that that Lakshay and I used to live in the same city then he moved out and everything happened so every time we used to come back to Mumbai to just I don't know chill around and shit we used to meet up for a beer and it used to go from one beer to an entire pitcher but
yeah. It's called Zomato Gold. Two
no,
plus two.
no, no, not Zomato
No,
Gold.
no,
That's
no,
just
not at all.
Lakshya and Saurabh being alcoholic days.
अच्छा
So
ओके ओके नहीं अभी रिचुअल 2+2 है because
अभी
हम
रिचुअल टू
सब
प्लस टू
कॉलेज
हम
में
अब पैसे बचाते
because
हैं औकात
हाँ
आ
exactly
गए औकात आ गए but
हाँ
yeah so Lakshya and I used to meet up we used to have a bunch of beers get a little tipsy talk about life and then regret some serious life decisions and then wait till the next time we meet again which
Oh,
was
wait,
for
aren't you forgetting something?
Dragon Ball Z the most important part we used to
No,
gush
the beer battered chicken fries.
oh my god yes. This is the icon of Lakshay and I getting intoxicated. Like we used to take beer, and the only thing we would eat with that are this amazing dish called the beer battered chicken fries we got at Jugheads back in Kandivli. It's in every Jugheads, I think. Yeah, definitely in every Jugheads. But the one that we had at Kandivli, that thing was life changing. So I introduced Lakshay to that dish. So you owe me for that one. And
Oh, I do.
and for the
we
viewers who don't know what Kandivali is it's in Bombay that's what it is
Yeah, it's
yeah.
it's it's in suburban Mumbai.
yes
And
and
we basically go there. We used to have a ritual where we used to meet, have beer battered chicken fries, drink glasses of beer, talk about Dragon Ball Z girls, and normal boy
And with
stuff.
one of our Virgin Sharma ji ka beta friend.
And the one of our virgin, who we shall not name because we do not mean to disrespect him, maybe a little bit, but still, Virgin Sharma ji ka beta friend who wouldn't drink either or smoke, like you said, Sharma ji ka beta friend. But yeah, and so this time what happened was Lakshay and I, being the great friends we are, I moved to Bangalore as well, to go to Srishti. And Lakshay was already living in Bangalore because he was pursuing law in Christ. And Lakshay and I were like, bro, मैं जब बैंगलोर आएगा ना ब्रो हम लोग रोज मिलेंगे ब्रो हर वीकेंड पार्टी
रोज
करेंगे
bro.
ब्रो हर वीकेंड में तेरे पीजी आएगा ब्रो तू मेरे पीजी आना ब्रो वी गेट फक्ड एवरी वीकेंड ब्रो एंड देन वी नेवर मेट
Yeah, and if you know Saurabh like I do, you will know that he doesn't move out of his room.
So
I have collectively spent more time in his room than I have spent in my room.
yeah,
Because
Saurabh
that's how
practically
lazy he
lives
is.
in my PG at this point. He
Yes,
just doesn't sleep there.
yes.
But
Unless he's out of intoxicant.
I mean that comes later. And I mean most of the time, yes.
But
We've gotten bored. So we've been in high spirits um, almost all the time.
we're
But
not
yes,
gonna get into the specifics, but yeah. But
yes,
yeah, so like back to the story. So Lakshay and I, after that, I don't know, we met once in Bangalore, right? We went to
Yeah.
Toit, right? We went to no, not Toit. We went to Beer Garden,
Beer
and
garden. We met twice.
yeah, twice. I don't remember
great
the
place.
second time.
La
Beer Garden is
Mafioso
also a
and
great
Yeah,
place.
Lea Mafia
Beer
is the one
garden.
we're talking about right now. So we met at
Correct.
Beer Garden and I got fucked. I think I had like almost 2 liters of beer that night.
Yeah, that was amazing beer.
Yeah, that was dope beer, and I was a little tipsy. Okay, I was a little tipsy. I was a little drunk, and I remember Lakshay was pointing me to my Uber, and he made sure that sit in the Uber and reach home in one piece. So thank you for that. I probably would have been dead that day if you wouldn't have done that. But back to La Mafioso, we decided to meet again. And me, Saurav, and Lakshay, we did. So I'm like, okay, Lakshay, listen, I'm gonna call another friend of mine so we can, have a bigger company, chill more. So we go to La
Yes.
Mafioso, and we are completely unaware of this place, but we go there because I have Zomato code and there's an offer going on here. And we want 2 plus 2 on drinks because that's all college kids care about. Daru, sasta daru, and lots of intoxicants. Take a shot, motherfuckers.
Yes, my friend. Yes.
And we go to La Mafioso, and yeah, Lakshay and I, being the great individuals we are on the 2 plus 2 offer, we take 4 shots of kamikaze.
Kamikaze.
Yeah, kamikaze, sorry.
Manga. For the guys who don't know what kamikaze, it's manga. Manga short
It's the
in.
cheapest shot,
Any,
dude. It's the
नहीं नहीं
cheapest
नहीं
shot.
नहीं but like ये वो एक छोटा short is like almost like 300-400 bucks, dude.
Yeah, but we
Like,
got it for 200 now. So
that's
we
true.
took kamikaze for 2 plus 2, and we had 4 shots. So Alaksha and I started our empty stomach, starving asses with 2 shots of kamikaze, and we're like, bro, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. ठीक है, हम हमारी tolerance बहुत है,
Yeah.
That's what everyone like starts out with, like कुछ नहीं होने वाला.
Definitely,
I'm sober.
definitely,
That
and
was that was better than Gotenks Super Ghost Kamikaze attack, I'm pretty sure.
but yeah, so we started with 2 kamikaze shots, and then we are like, so Saurabh here is like, bro, मैं शायद से whiskey पीऊंगा बहन चोद. I remember you saying this. तेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे तो
Yeah.
खींच के मारूंगा मैं लौड़े की दुकान.
अरे नहीं
फिर हम
मैं
whiskey
मैं
से
पिया नहीं ना.
खाएंगे.
I didn't drink whiskey in the end.
That's
I
another thing.
actually
Arey,
just
but we ended up ordering Fireball. No?
Yeah, but that came later.
yeah
So
yeah.
so then what happened was we are like, ठीक है 2 shots लिए और दारू चाहिए. You need something to drink more. So
Yeah.
we
Something
took.
which will go on for a while.
Yeah, so we take a pitcher of beer, okay? A nice pitcher.
Yes.
4 glasses, smooth. 5 glasses actually, and
Yeah.
we get a hookah too, क्योंकि हम चूतिए हैं. And
Compensation for the shots, I got more beer in the end because I chug beer also. Guys, if you want to do a chugging competition,
that's what he
That's
likes
I
to
was
do.
the one who chugged fast.
That's
yeah,
what
I mean,
he
तू
likes to
पंजाबी है
do.
dude.
That's
तू
what
तू
he likes
पंजाबी
to
है
do.
dude. तेरा चीज में है.
That's
But
what he
like,
likes to
I'm
drink.
I'm a Bengali man. I need to
That's what
like
he
for me
likes to
beer is
drink.
that's the personal attack, man. Today's my birthday. Today's my birthday. You can't do this to me, okay?
Yeah, we'll cut him some slack today. I think.
Yeah.
So we ordered a pitcher of beer. We're having a nice time. Okay, at this point, Lakshay and I are drunk and we don't realize it. We're
And
like, we're on
disclaimer to the first hookah.
Yeah, that's the
Oh
first
yes.
hookah he's ever tried, and he had the best hookah ever because that was the best hookah
Ah,
I've
Yeah.
ever
yes.
had too. Okay, I've had pretty shit hookahs then, so that was the best hookah I've ever had, and this is the second time I'm having a hookah, so third actually. But yeah, so
Wow.
we're having hookah, we're drinking beer. Saurav is fine, okay, he's sober. Lakshan are fucked. Lakshan are
See,
Yeah,
perceiving reality on an
guys,
astral plane.
guys, I was sober because I was broke. Like that's the
Yeah,
only reason I was
his
sober.
lack
Or
of
else I
bank
would have.
account saved his intoxication. So
Yes,
Lakshan
yes,
are
yes.
drunk and we haven't eaten anything yet. So we ordered chicken nachos. Our nachos arrived and we're munching on nachos, okay? And so here's what happens, okay? So they gave us these different filters with the hookahs, right? Not the filters, the tips, so that we don't mix
Yes.
up ours. We at one point we were so drunk that we all used the same filter twice and then changed it for no reason.
Not just that, they gave us three filters.
We
Like
lost
each
two
of
of
us,
them.
three
We lost
filters.
two of them.
Yeah. Yeah, it was like it was like a life, like that life you get in a game, and then you
Yeah,
lose it. So you're like you have only two lives left.
yeah, and even that we lost. So that you can
I
get
know
the idea of how drunk we
I
were.
didn't lose I didn't lose the other two. You lost. I think you lost
I lost all of them.
all three. Yeah,
Laksha lost two
Lakshya
of them.
lost two of them. I didn't lose
Dude,
any of
I
them.
didn't have any of it.
Oh, so he lost all of them too. Okay.
Yeah,
So yeah, like
yeah.
that's happening, and what happens is so we're drinking and stuff. So Lakshay and I are drunk, right? And we're not really drunk, but we're kind of fucked. Okay, I exaggerate a little bit. We weren't that
Yeah,
fucked.
you guys are tipsy. You guys
We're
were
tipsy and
on
we're,
a
we're
Yeah.
having
nice
a very
lips.
nice time. We're very relaxed. We're very mellow. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, mama, everything is going great kind of moment. And Lakshay and I have a bright idea that the beer's over. So you know what we do? Remember, Lakshay? We ordered a fucking tower.
Yes.
Okay, so we are
Definitely.
already on like 1 liter worth of beer. We've had two shots, and then we ordered another fucking tower of beer. They just
Yeah.
bring that thing, they sit it in front of us. Our table is full. Okay, there's no
Yeah.
space left, and I'm a bigger cunt because I don't eat anything other than the nachos, and we had a French fries too because we're cunts, I guess.
And I got a pizza.
Yeah, these two, Lakshya and Saurav shared a pizza. I didn't eat anything else, so I'm even more fucked. And we have a tower over there, and we're drinking more and more beer. We're going on and on. And Lakshya and I, okay, we don't even know that right now at this point we're squashed. Saurav is towards the tipsy side. Lakshya and I are towards the side where we're
I
ready
was
to
not. No,
jump
no.
off a
I
building.
was. I
Yep.
was completely sober because मैंने सिर्फ beer नहीं करा था. So I was totally fine. Like, but I mean, throughout like doing the hookah, maybe I was a little like
You were a
head
little
heavy.
No,
tipsy.
no, 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 no. You
No,
gotta
no, with the
accept it.
head.
Towards the end, you were a bit tipsy.
Yeah, you
No, no,
were
no,
a bit
I
tipsy.
was. I got tipsy because of the hookah. Like that hookah was making me a
The
little head heavy and all
combination,
of that.
yeah,
Yeah, but like, yeah, I mean, I was fine. Like, I was good enough not to jump off of the building.
yeah. No, we didn't do that
Uh,
either. Don't do
yeah,
that. That's pretty fucking
I
retarded.
mean, it's
But
your choice. Suicide
don't
is fine.
fucking
But
listen
listen,
to him.
hey,
Don't
no,
do
listen, listen.
that.
No, 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 listen to the message at the end. Okay, see, suicide is fine, but think about it. Think about your family. Think about your friends.
Bro, stop,
Think
bro.
about the
I'm getting a
failures,
guilt trip, bro. Fucking
and
hell.
then commit. Because if you commit suicide after that, then you're not a winner.
Okay.
बहुत ही बहुत ही edit कर दे
So
मुझे.
that just happened. I'm not editing that. So
Yeah.
yeah, so like so we're drunk right now. Okay, so the reason why this story is interesting is because Lakshay and I are doing the most normal human activities. Okay, so we have drank so much beer, so it's obvious that we want to fucking pay, right? You remember that part, Lakshay? So
Yep.
we're at a mafia-themed restaurant, and we go to the bathroom, and Lakshay, you can go on from here. you know, you wanna talk about what we saw in there?
I mean, how much time did we spend looking at the urine? Just wondering.
You guys were in there for 20 minutes and
No, not
I was
Yeah, yeah,
that
sitting
he
long.
alone.
knows better.
No,
Yeah,
I
I
know
remember
better, bro.
this guy came after a while to check up on us.
Yeah, I came because देख मुझे भी मूतना था. And you guys were like, "Arey bro, just be there until the hookah is over." And hookah got over, and I was like, "Okay, fine. Now let me go inside." And I see you guys. I'm like, "Bro, what are you guys doing? Like, you've been in there for 20 minutes." Like, no, it's not 20 minutes yet. I'm like, "Yeah, dude, I'm sitting alone. Like, what? Like, come on."
So yeah, so the thing why the toilet held our attention for so long was because the urinals were buckets. And it's a vibe,
Yeah.
okay? It's not like it's unhygienic or shitty. It's a good vibe. Like architecture, interior design, everything fucking amazing. Yeah, you'll be like भैंचो designers जैसे बात करें. हम designers हैं, तो design जैसे बात करेंगे. तुम चूतिया हो अगर तुम्हें
Yes.
कोई realize नहीं हुआ तो. Just kidding, we love you guys. But Lakshya and I are drunk. We're analyzing the bucket, okay? We're like भैंचो तिहाड़ जेल में आके कैसे फंस गए हम. We're looking at the fucking bucket. I get so hyped that there's this wash basin opposite the buckets as every urinal does. I jump off it and I do some sort of a fucking weird ass 360 thing, and Lakshya is just standing there looking at me. And he's like, bro, chill.
Yeah, I'm surprised. I'm surprised you were able to manage a 360.
I
Very
remember
drunk.
It
this.
was more of a 90-degree.
Dude, I remember turning around completely. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay? But yeah, I'm just hyped up. I'm like, bro, the bathroom is so cool, bro. And I just jump off like that. And Lakshya's like, bro, chill, they're gonna hear us. And by that time, Saurav comes inside. He's like, तुम लोग कर क्या रहे हो? And we
Yeah,
all
actually,
decide to
man.
pee together. So till now, Lakshya and I have been just holding our pee, analyzing the bathroom, just vibing in there for like fucking, I don't know, 15-20 minutes straight. We all walk out back and we're just laughing. Okay, we're just fucking laughing because of how funny the bathroom is to us. Saurav is just
Oh,
dead
and
confused.
we're forgetting the
Yeah.
photo sesh we had.
Oh my
Oh my
god.
god.
Oh
Oh
my
god.
god. The cringe moment. So, yeah, because you were drunk, we became IG thoughts. No offense to any IG thoughts here, but you guys need to get a life. We stood against the mirror and took mirror selfies like a 16-year-old girl who went to a bathroom at a 5-star hotel. And
Let me
Yeah.
check selfie.
yeah, we said that too. We said that
Yeah.
too.
And guys, remember, these two can be excused because they were drunk. I was not. I still was a part of
Volunteered
that.
into this. Saurabh, you guys, sent
Volunteered,
hate
yeah.
along his way. उसका बर्थडे खत्म हो जाएगा जब तक ये एपिसोड निकलेगा. तुम लोग कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Oh fuck. और 10 मिनट 9 मिनट है ब्रो खत्म होने को.
But yeah, so like we took selfies and we came out. We were laughing for I don't even know at this point multiple reasons. So after this thing, right, we smoke even more hookah. Okay, our tower finishes, and Lakshya and I, being the brightest fucking cunts that we are, we decide to do two more shots. So
Yeah.
we buy
Of-
another shot of Kamakazi, each of us, except Saurabh again,
And
because वो
then-
चूतिया है. And Lakshya and
broke,
I,
man.
Lakshya take another shot of Kamakazi. So right now we're on like 3 shots of Kamakazi, and we're like what 5-6 glasses of beer, Lakshya.
We are down. Yep.
Yeah, we're like almost 2 liters of beer or something, 2.5 liters of beer, and we have like 3 shots of Kamakazi. And Lakshya like, bro, और
Let's
चाहिए,
do
bro.
it.
We buy fucking Fireball cinnamon whiskey. We take another shot of that. Oh my
The
god.
only cheap whiskey I approve of is Fireball.
Dude, we took another shot of Fireball cinnamon whiskey, and Lakshya and I are funked out of existence. Like, we are sitting, we spent 30 minutes trying to pay the bill, and another 30 minutes trying to get an Uber. I think more than 30 minutes. How much time did we
And
spend?
in the
So-
process of getting the Uber, I get something more
Oh,
to get
yeah.
me fucked
We're gonna
up.
get to
Because-
that part
Yeah,
yet.
oh.
We're gonna get to that part. Okay, that's the best part of the story.
So I remember very clearly what happened. We got the bill and we were calculating how much either of us has to pay. Because see, I was broke.
Yeah.
I only wanted food and beer and
Yeah.
hookah. And these two fuckers had bought so many shots at that point, the bill skyrocketed.
No, so the thing is like
Uh,
I played it very smart. I didn't buy any food. I just drank.
Yeah, but Lakshya I think had to pay the most considering
Yeah.
I
he ate
know.
and he drank.
Yep.
Yeah, and but did that stop him from buying another bottle of alcohol? No.
We're gonna get to that part,
Never
guys.
does, never.
Raging
Yes.
alcoholism.
Yes, yes. And yeah, man, the bill was a lot, and I was like, "Fuck, bro, आज
हो दिया.
savings इतना किया है,
Actually,
वो
dude,
काम निकल
the
गया."
thing was the bill wasn't that much because of how good
I
this
mean,
place was.
I remember paying 50. That's it, including the food. So much.
Yeah.
and
Yeah, I mean, hey, but still, bro, it's up to a certain point, like because I had less
It
money.
is
I was
very cheap
worried.
to actually go
Yeah,
inside
but-
compared to like actually
guys,
getting so much
I mean,
alcohol.
But
if you're paying
guys,
1,500 bucks to sloshed and you're getting good food, it's a great
It's a
deal.
steal. It's a steal right there. I
it's a
completely
steal
agree.
right there. Go to La Mafioso after
They
lockdown
don't
if you
sponsor
can.
us. Fuck them.
Yeah,
Fuck
yeah, yeah. They didn't
them.
sponsor us yet. We'll send them this over. They better do.
Yes, yes.
So yeah, so like so Lakshay, Saurabh, and Saurabh are now three drunk idiots. We leave the restaurant, and they have this
Yes.
nice vintage car outside, okay, as a
Mm.
decor kind of thing, and they have like these two Swedish mafia, not Swedish mafia, Godfather level type mafia mannequins out there for
On
the
statues.
vibe and
Yeah.
everything, right? And I'm going jack shit crazy over the car. I'm not even into cars. I'm going crazy. I'm like, bro, that looks so cool, bro. What the fuck, bro? Okay, that's what's happening. And Lakshay is just laughing. Saurabh is just trying to realize what the fuck he has done coming out today. And
Yeah, actually.
we go down the elevator. We reach the city, and now we're out in the public again, facing the world, mankind, humanity at its finest. And the first thing that we do is go to the nearest pawn shop, which is next to an alcohol shop. And we get our cigarettes and stuff, your casual things. But here's where Lakshay gets another bright idea. Because दारू की दुकान है बाजू में. Lakshay, you wanna
Yes.
take from here? You wanna say what happened?
Yeah, so I was feeling like my buzz is going away. मैंने बोला
Hmm.
क्यों नहीं एक और लेते हैं.
Disclaimer: it wasn't, but go on.
And I was promised by you, Saurabh, that
Yes.
we'll share it half half, which apparently you didn't keep.
It was a lie. It was a lie. It was a lie. On and
Yeah.
on.
So
So
yeah, go on, go
I
on.
I get I get another bottle of another quarter of rum.
White rum.
Yes,
Because Gold Monk sucks.
lemon flavored. Yes.
You were
Okay,
in
you're
Yes.
that shop
specific.
for fucking 20-30 minutes.
Nah, bro. 15 minutes. You were,
It
for you, time
Fifteen
was
felt
stops. I was bargaining.
forever. It
like,
Yeah,
you
felt.
were, like,
you were
it
busy
took
talking
so
to the
long.
pawn shop guy,
I'll
and you were
get to
busy.
that. I'll get to that.
Yeah.
That's the most
We
interesting
were
thing of my
vibing.
time that night.
Like, we were
Yeah, he
vibing
was.
inside the store. Like planning to buy whatever we can and thinking about what to buy. Me and Lakshmi were discussing. And then there is Saurabh. He's like smoking and he's like talking to this guy. And I'm like, bro, किससे बात कर रहा है? He's like, पांचा बोल रहा है. I'm like, क्यों? I'm like, ऐसे ही dude.
No, no, that's
Because
not
what
exactly what
happened?
happened. Wait, I'll get to that part. But first, let's Lakshay finish the thing. Yeah, Lakshay, go on.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's done. I mean, we spent around 20 minutes in the
Yeah,
shop buying.
15
I
minutes.
was bargaining that. He's like, भैया 400. हम नहीं भैया 400 नहीं देना. बिल्कुल भी नहीं. कम करो. Student. हम student हैं.
You said student discount in an alcohol
No,
shop.
he actually did say that, considering
Yeah.
they are students first, and second, he's in high spirits. And why wouldn't
High
you say that in high spirits?
Damn, bro.
And not like students can be below the league or they can be above it. We never.
Fair enough, fair enough, fair
But
enough.
the best part is that the guy did not give us a discount.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah, in spite of that.
Oh,
That's where the
Yeah,
20 minutes went.
damn. So while these people are inside trying to get another bottle of alcohol, which by the way was Lakshya's idea, which I said, okay, fine, I drink more. I mean, what's the worst that's gonna happen, right? I don't get hangovers anyway. So this guy and Saurav are inside getting alcohol. I'm like, bro, मैं बाहर रुक रहा हूँ. Okay, I need to just catch a little breath and shit. I'm buying a cigarette, and this pawn shop here, average Indian pawn shop wala. I'm just talking to him. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm drunk right now. So for some reason, I buy a fucking pan. I don't even eat fucking pan. But I buy a pan and I'm eating it. And it tastes like shit. It literally tastes like absolute shit. Like I
pan
spent
actually tastes good.
that was got good pan
Pan,
then. I mean, yeah, I do eat pan occasionally, but not like rare. Actually, it's pretty rare. I eat pan sometimes, but that pan was pretty
yes.
shit. I'm not gonna lie. Or probably just ordered the wrong flavor. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just like I'm buying fucking pan from him because I don't know. I felt the need to talk to this guy, which for some reason just I don't know what the fuck is happening right now. Turns out he's from my village, so we have native connections and I'm talking to him in my native language now. And that's why I'm talking to this guy. This guy walks around, he's like, bro, tu kya kar raha hai? I'm like, bro, that Pano is from my gaon, bro. And he's like, so? I'm like, bro, that's such a big deal, bro. I'm drunk. I'm getting excited. I'm the most stupidest shit ever. And
Yeah.
that's the reason I bought pan from him. Because वो भेंचोद मेरे गांव से था. By the time we were done with the conversation, I knew his entire backstory.
And then a conversation of another 10 minutes pass by, and then Uber comes in, and
And
Lakshya has the bright idea of just finishing the entire bottle of
No,
lemon white rum.
one second, not entire.
I mean,
um,
entire bottle with Saurabh. That's a more accurate
yeah,
description of
so
it.
the promise was I
But
was gonna drink half of that thing with him. It was a treat, okay? I think it was your birthday or something that I passed. I don't remember. So,
No, I don't think so. But I remember this. All three of us were in the back. We had first connected the aux. I don't know what music were you playing. What music were you playing, Saurav?
it was called Buttercup. It's a song by Jack Stauber.
yeah, we
Yes.
started with Blinding
Buttercup.
Lights. No, we started with
Blinding Lights.
Blinding Lights.
Yeah, we started with Blinding Lights.
Then we
Yes,
played Buttercup. We were
After
listening to
hours.
music,
After hours.
vibing,
Yeah.
and Lakshya and I are drinking this bottle of lemon, and I'm at that stage where I don't want to drink anymore. And Lakshya's like,
Anymore.
bro, lena. I'm like, okay, fine. We reach PGs,
Let's-
okay? Lakshya comes to our PG too. I don't know why. He just came. Pretty cool though.
In the wait. During that process, I just chug more than half of
Yeah.
the bottle neat.
Yes, in
Right.
my room.
Okay,
No, that's before coming here.
Yes.
This is in the car.
this was in the car.
Oh yeah. There's another part of it left which we're not planning to
Correct.
drink.
Yeah,
Exactly.
which was
Around
my
30,
share.
35%.
Yes.
And after that, we are singing and we are recording video.
Oh
We are
my
making snap.
god.
Oh
my
yeah, we
that's
actually
in the
did that
car.
also. We did that
Right,
too.
I do have it. I do have it for future embarrassment. Okay.
Acha, acha.
And it still remains one of the biggest memories of my life. मेरा दोस्त फोन करके कहता कि तूने सबको स्नैप भेज क्लास वाले तेरा मजाक बना रहे हैं.
Oh yes, you sent it to him. Oh, I remember
fuck.
you freaked the fuck out and you were like, "अरे bro, मैंने अपने दोस्तों को snap भेज दिया." And I was like, "Oh shit, bro, that's a very like I know it's like those one of those top 10
Bro
OP moments in anime,
Bro moment,
moments in
guys.
anime,
Exactly.
in anime. Like that's what it was.
But then after getting, I mean, still trying to figure out he भेज process.
Yeah, man, you got pretty paranoid
Fuck.
then.
Yeah, I don't know. I
God.
don't remember this part, but F in the chat for Lakshya. So we reach Saurav's PG, and even I go there. Lakshya goes there. We're all in this room. Okay, some of the rum is still left. We're so drunk that we can't even sit at this point.
Yeah.
Okay, and Saurav is just there vibing, bro. And Lakshya is like, bro, your share of rum is left. Teko finish karna padega. I'm like, I'm gonna try, bro. I take 2 sips. I'm like, fuck this shit. I can't do this.
Yeah.
So Lakshya
And
goes
then,
ahead and chugs her entire thing.
Yeah, Lakshya does offer me as well, but I refuse because college hai next day. And Lakshya's like, college मेरा भी है, but I'm still drinking, and I'm like, listen.
और मुझे तो घर भी चादर के दो.
Yeah, he has to go back home too, and we're already home.
Yeah.
So that happened, and that's basically how we almost fucking drank so much that night, and we did like the most normal shit ever, but it was so retarded.
Yeah.
Because like it was just like a series of mixed, like just like visible embarrassments, and
Yeah.
we have recorded, what do you say, versions of it, which I can put in the video.
Yeah, and the moral of the story is Lakshya and Saurabh are loaded with money because they were able to spend so much over there.
That I saved for that day. Fuck off.
It was
It was-
first of the month, dumb ho.
Bro, मेरा first of the month, I have अच्छा ठीक है मेरे को पैसे नहीं मिलते वैसे मेरा mechanism अलग है पैसे का, but okay.
Yeah, so I saved for that. I was broke after this night, but yeah, like that, and it's basically what we were trying to get at is like it's a pretty dumb thing to do to drink so much. Like seriously, dude, all the jokes aside, like maybe guys, you should like maybe try to learn to have,
Tone it down a bit. Yeah.
yeah, like have fun without alcohol too. Like intoxication is fun, no doubt, but like you can have fun sober. We do that all the time. We have fun sober
This is
all the time.
this is coming from a person who can't have fun sober
Fuck
as
off.
much.
Fuck
Hey,
off.
hey.
I am an extremely fun person, definitely.
No, I never said you're not an extremely fun person. I said that he's one of those guys that can't have as much fun.
I
Sober.
used to be that guy. I'm not anymore. Excuse me. I'll just point that.
Yeah, no, but when we were when lockdown के पहले college में रहते, रूम में रहते. It was a thing.
चुप रहना बहन
You know it, I know it.
तेरा बर्थडे है इसलिए कुछ बोलने नहीं वाला चुप रह
बर्थडे खत्म हो
बर्थडे
गया,
गया
10 मिनट पहले.
बर्थडे
ओ
गया
बर्थडे गया
पहले
ले
खत्म.
लो साले की ले लो चूतिए की but yeah so
Yeah,
that
man.
happened and you know pretty fun times here you know like getting squashed like that but you know now we're gonna take a trip down some prime personal experiences with alcohol you know
Yes.
because we thought it'd be a fun story to share our
Oh,
own personal ends so why don't we let Lakshay
Saurabh,
start this one yeah oh you want to
are we
talk about
forgetting the
the
30th December
oh my
2018
god,
was it?
yes!
Oh my.
Oh my god, I cannot ignore that story. So, this is like fun times at Lakshay and Saurabh, which have gone horribly wrong. So, basically, Lakshay comes back to Mumbai because it's New Year time, and all he decides to do is meet his best friend Saurabh. Yeah! And what we decide to do together is obviously get fucked. So this time out of the usual, Lakshay decided that okay, maybe Lakshay, you should just crash at my place. You know, we can have fun at my place tonight. We can get fucked with various intoxicants that shan't be named. And what Lakshay and I do is pretty fucking stupid. So we leave my house, and we were going to go for a party or something, right? What was the plan that night, Lakshay?
Yeah, we were planning to go to back quite a bit. We were planning to go for clubbing. Then
Oh
we went
my
to a lounge
god, that was the
where
most
we went back again because
embarrassing day.
apparently some of your friends were there and I don't know, they didn't turn up. Whatever happened, I just can't.
Yeah, that was
Then did we go to Mc
embarrassing. So we
did
no,
we
we
go
didn't
to
go to
McDonald's
McDonald's.
then?
We didn't. We had chicken biryani, dude.
Biryani, yes.
So what happened was we were gonna go clubbing and
But
everything.
before the biryani, we to that shop in front of
Yeah,
Nirvana.
yeah, the alcohol store, the wine shop.
Yes.
Hmm.
So
And
yeah,
I
go on,
put
go
in
on.
4 cans of beer in all the pockets I had, all the pockets I could find.
Excuse me, I put
Yes.
two in mine. I put one in mine. I don't remember actually.
You had gone somewhere when I was purchasing line. I have no idea. Did you go to P?
No, I think I just let you purchase it. And I was just like, okay, अब मैं आगे खड़ा हूँ, तो खरीद के आ जाओ.
Are
That's
you sure?
yeah. Oh wait, I think I went to buy a certain paper for a certain intoxicant. Yeah.
Oh, yes. You check for that
So
A4 design
A4
sheet he was
A4 design
talking
sheet.
about. Oh, yes,
Yeah,
right.
the chota and the bada wala. So
Mhm.
yeah, so like so what happened was we were gonna go clubbing that night, okay, and I had some bunch of friends who were gonna come too, but things went go as planned and things went a little south, and it was just Lakshay and I, which became pretty boring. So we bought 4 bottles of Kingfisher Storm, and what happened was we drank two of them. We were a little tipsy, not drunk exactly. एंड वी वर लाइक अभी कुछ नहीं है रात को करने के लिए 30 दिसंबर वी हैड सो मेनी प्लान्स एंजॉय करने वाले थे एंड एवरीथिंग कुछ नहीं हुआ सो व्हाट वी डू वाज वी वेंट टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट एंड वी हैड द फकिंग अमेजिंग चिकन बिरयानी एवर लाइक दैट शिट वाज फायर गुड and
True.
we came back to my place sneaking in the alcohol and you know the A4 size sheets sort of mentioned the designer sheets as we're gonna call them
Yeah.
and we came back to my place and we had to
And they did dhania.
Methi,
and methi
Hmm.
Pudina.
Methi I like methi more because it's
the
spicier.
devil's lettuce, famously known.
Yes. Yes.
So we came back to our
What's wrong
place.
with Pudina?
Bro, थोड़ा
Yeah.
थोड़ा स्टाइलिश लगता है devil's lettuce, you know, थोड़ा क्लास आता है.
Yeah. Let's call it parsley. Best.
Parsley. Oh, mama.
Parsley. Oh my
Oh.
God, parsley. Devil's parsley. Okay, nice.
Yeah.
But yeah, like so we come back and we had 2 bottles of 2 cans of our Kingfisher Storm, which is a pretty fucking strong beer and strong beer. And Lakshay is like, bro, तूने कभी Storm पिया है क्या? I'm like, no, bro. He's like, this beer is so strong it'll get you drunk. I'm like, चल देखते हैं.
Yeah, like 2 cans down and you are gone.
So we take that and we have one can left. So we come back to my place, right? We wait for my parents to, my mom to go to sleep. And here's what we do. So we pull out devil's lettuce, parsley, pudina, methi, jo bolna hai bolo. We take our designer
Yeah.
sheets and Lakshay has had no experience with this intoxicant ever in his entire life.
Yeah.
But I have. And I'm like, bro.
Dhania is very for guys who don't know, dhania is not easy to acquire because बहुत अच्छा होना होता है like
अच्छा
Pattai like
अच्छा
vodka.
धनिया मुंबई में मिल जाता है फॉर द मोस्ट पार्ट, सो टेंशन नहीं.
हाँ बट महंगा होता है ना.
नहीं ब्रो, मुंबई में it's very cheap. Okay, we're not getting into this right now. But yeah, so like I pull out the dhania and I make a nice what do you say, spring roll with the designer sheets and dhania. Okay,
Yes.
and can't believe I just and
Metaphors
we don't
are
use
not
any
that easy, my
tobacco in
friend.
the dhania. We roll it virgin. So virgin dhania हमने धनिया का स्प्रिंग रोल बनाया है एंड हम 2 cans ऑफ किंगफिशर स्ट्रॉन्ग चेक करने के मूड में. तो हम वर्जिन धनिया ऑफ स्प्रिंग रोल
It was the best meat shawarma they had.
हाँ. Shawarma. It went from dhania to parsley to spring roll to shawarma. What the fuck?
I was also planning to say churros.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh.
So
What was the filling inside the churros?
धनिया ब्रो, जस्ट धनिया.
Yes, dhania, just
माँ का
dhania, just
धनिया है और कुछ नहीं. शिव जी ने
yes,
खुद बनाया
yes.
है. But
Hmm.
yeah, so like we have the dhania के spring rolls and Lakshya is like bro मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा bro, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm like तू wait करना bro. So
Always the first thing a person says.
yeah, your
तो
first
मुझे
time
कोई
I
idea
want to
नहीं
say
है.
I'm मेरे को कुछ नहीं होने वाला. We retard, so we
Yes,
crossfade, which you
yes.
definitely shouldn't do, but we did anyway. So Lakshya and I, after that, we chug the fucking bottle of the can of Kingfisher Storm. And we have videos of me wearing a horse mask and drinking beer through the mask, which is very retarded.
Yes.
But yeah, and we do that. And after a while, Lakshya is just laughing like a fucking maniac.
What
He's
happened?
laughing for 15 minutes straight, non-stop. Why? Because he thought a light looked like a nipple.
Oh, I don't even remember that part to be.
Yeah, this glare
No
that came
one.
on my window, you thought it looked like a nipple, and you started laughing. I'm surprised you didn't get a boner, but kind of
And
glad
the
I
best
did.
part is, and the best part must have been that he must have said it out loud.
Yeah, that's why I know this. He's like, bro, he's like, Saurabh, dude, तू उसको ध्यान से देख, bro. Like, वो nipple जैसे लग रहा है, bro. And I'm like, what? Bro, what are you on, bro? He's like, bro, वो nipple जैसे लग रहा है, bro. मैं बोल रहा हूँ सच में. And I'm like, देखो ना चढ़ गई है. And he's like, bro, but वो nipple जैसे लग रहा है. He just starts laughing like a maniac. Okay, I'm like,
Oh
okay,
yes,
this guy is gone. He's gone, case. This guy
yes,
is fucked. And
yes.
that's what happens. And he went on about a night looking at nipple for I think an hour straight. And I was in my horse mask, also fucked. Not as much as this guy. Checking beard on that horse mask, which was smelling the other day, started to clean it without my parents finding out. And I did the most, yeah,
Mm.
cleaning that was one of the most horrifying experiences of my life. And yeah, and then Lakshay, he just like passes out. And I'm like, okay, fine. I guess we're going to sleep. And Lakshay, remember my trippy blue lights in my room? Lakshay?
Remember your trippy?
Blue lights, the trippy blue lights.
Oh, damn.
The RGBs that
They're not
I.
RGB, they're just blue, bro. They look like black light. But dude, you need to just
Oh,
come
okay,
to
okay.
my room in
Dude,
Mumbai.
they intensify the 10
Yeah, like your trip goes on a different level with those lights on.
Color,
and and the
I know.
music and the
Oh yeah, and my Google Home
Yes.
was playing trippy ass music because I obviously made it do that. And yeah, I've set the entire vibe. Okay, we're vibing as fuck. And then we go to sleep. We wake up next morning and
quite early because parents had some sort of exam.
yeah, wait, I had an exam or you had an exam?
I was there on holiday.
I think I had a class or something.
Okay, you had in class or you had some.
I don't remember. It was the 31st. I think I had a class. Yeah, I think I just had a class. So yeah, we wake up early and I'm fine. Lakshay isn't. This guy is so not fine. I'm just like I don't get hangovers on that thing. This guy is dead ass tired. Okay, he's visibly tired. And my mom makes Spanish omelette and shit. We feast on that thing. Here's also a thing, okay? We had the devil's lettuce and we didn't eat anything after that. We
That's
just
strange.
we just chugged
Thank God
cans
for
of
the
beer.
chicken biryani.
Dude, I'm still surprised how we didn't eat anything after that. But yeah, we just chugged cans
No, I
of beer.
mean,
It's
I mean, if I eat anything before dhania, and then I do dhania, I will start eating again.
या सेम
Like
तू और
that's
मैं वही तो
fine.
करते हैं हर बार मैं जो ये सारा फैट ऐसे किधर आया है
Gains. Gains come from pizza. Remember that.
Pizza and biryani, bro.
After
That's
working out.
it. Pizza and biryani is what
Yeah.
Saurav and I
And that's the
thrive
most
on.
eaten. Yeah, I think that's the most eaten like thing on our in our rooms.
It's culture,
Like
bro. It's our tradition.
there have been days where we bought both
Yeah, we
back to back.
oh fuck. Yeah. But
I
yeah,
remember.
and Lakshya's first time with I will say Dhanya was pretty good. What would you say?
Oh yeah, it was definitely good. After that, I had another with liquidated version of it, which is
We-
generally
Go on. It's
consumed.
your table
Yeah,
now.
Can you
which
describe?
is which is generally consumed around the Indian festival of Holi.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you
No,
guys
but
know
it's
what he's
legal.
talking
That is
about.
still legal.
Still
That
don't
is
say it
still
out
legal.
loud. Don't say it out loud.
Hmm.
Yeah. So that was, bro. I mean, shit. Okay. So same. I have also. Okay. I
So you
call
are
some
saying your
spicy.
Bhangra experience was amazing. Is what you're
No,
saying.
it wasn't.
Oh, fuck.
I have
Okay.
a glass of.
2 minutes लगा.
Huh.
Bhangra is good, guys. You should try that. Very
Very medicinal.
yeah, very medicinal. Good for health. Cheap
Yeah.
also.
Stop.
Cheap classes.
Stop.
Very cheap classes.
Just stop.
Uh,
Just stop,
yeah.
please. I don't want to get arrested.
कोई arrest नहीं करेगा.
But
भांगड़ा करना is a Punjabi thing, dude. It's fine.
yeah,
You
Lakshay,
can
go
do
on.
you can do as many
Yeah.
bhangras as you like.
Exactly. So I do the first part. Okay.
Bhangra. Guys, you're talking
Like,
about a dance style.
yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
yes,
Style. Folk tales, bro.
Folk tales,
yes.
exactly. This is fucking Panchatantra at its finest.
Okay. So the first experience with Dhania was pretty good, but when the Bhang, oh my god, it was like the greatest BT I ever had.
I never thought I'd hear anyone say the greatest BTR
The
ever.
These two,
greatest
they are two
BT I ever had.
disjointed. These are two disjointed words.
Yeah, they don't go
Exactly.
along.
That's the level. Just imagine.
Okay, I mean,
Oh my
I'm
god.
intrigued. Go on.
So I go along and I ask that what's the prime ingredient in the bhangra, and they give me some sort of dhania or methi, which is grown in Punjab,
Okay.
a ball of that.
Aha.
Consume half of it.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, so I consume half that without
Uh-huh.
milk or whatever.
Okay.
Oh,
Fucked.
Yeah.
It kicks gradually for the first 20 mellow.
I still remember those days.
That's suspense.
So पहले minute I'm good.
Okay.
उसके बाद two of my friends come in.
Yeah.
I'm laughing.
Okay.
They
आवाज
what?
जाता.
Wow.
Okay.
Uh, and, I'm like, okay, this it is good. It's hitting me, but it's good. I'm enjoying.
Right.
Yeah. Then I to order food.
Okay.
Right.
That's the best part,
I
isn't it?
place. Yeah,
Yeah.
wait for it. No, it wasn't. Okay. So I'm ordering. I forgot my CVV. I forgot which card select. Okay.
Yeah.
What should I do? So I'm just there staring at him for 10. Then is asking me, did you order? And I'm getting performance anxiety.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, what to do? Lower my to him. I'm like, bhai, nahi ho raha.
Wow.
Okay. Yes. So that was the level. That is the time when it hits that okay, this shit has gone a little bit overboard, maybe.
Wow.
Yes.
So you're telling me
So
that it took you 20 minutes to
no,
wait for the bhang to hit?
once we wait. So all this process it took 1 hour. Everything, the ordering before that, doing everything. It's past. The food comes 13. That's the average time.
Okay.
Right, and then I am in no mood to eat.
Right.
It's reverse psychology. I do. Okay.
Your voice cut. I couldn't hear you.
No. I stopped
Okay.
for the suspense.
All right. Go on.
Cool. So I couldn't. Like I'll throw up right now. Okay, my biscuit of McVitie's biscuit, digestive biscuit.
Oh, those are the worst. I fucking hate
Okay,
I
them.
don't know, man. I don't know
I
if whether to feel sad or whether to like send you condolence messages after this.
I yeah. Okay, so he gives me, and that further increases the dryness, the thirstiness which I was.
Oh,
Hmm.
And I'm like, shit, I'm doing. So I try to sleep. I try
right.
to pass. As soon as closing, heart is pounding 150 BPM. Okay,
Yeah.
I can't do that. It took me 15 minutes, and then I find, you know, ejected some unwanted molecules and elements out of my body through a
Uh,
natural uh, process, and then I felt better. And
Yeah. And
the effect still was, you know,
right.
gone till the next. Even in the morning, I was a bit dizzy. So yep, it is indeed the greatest BT.
Yeah.
sure, sure.
Bhangra stays for a pretty long time.
Yeah,
I
like I still remember my first time. So thing is, Bhangra, one Bhangra is great, but two is even better.
Oh, you're the fucking idiot who's done two Bhangra.
Yeah, I am OCD with numbers, so I can't do one. I can only do two or four.
Shut the
And
fuck
over.
up. That is no excuse.
So my first time, I didn't know how Bhangra hits you after exercising. So I did one Bhangra, and then 30 minutes later nothing happened. So I did another Bhangra,
क्योंकि वो चूतिया है
and
guys, just a disclaimer.
yeah. And I had drum classes for my college. And what I do next is the most obvious thing. I'm getting late, so I run for my drum classes. And see now, predominantly, I did not know what's happening. Okay, I was pretty zoned out because it's drum class, right? You're into music and you're vibing with it. I think halfway through the class, it hits me like a train. Like I was at 160 miles per hour, and I
But
start
your
slowly getting.
life is running at 2 FPS.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No, that comes later. So, okay, I start feeling drowsy, like in the middle of the class, like so drowsy that I'm about to pass out. And see now, everyone else has seen what my eyes are like. Okay, everyone is able to figure out I'm really sleepy, and I'm sleep deprived because that's what Honda does to you. So you exercise on it, right? Then my my drums coach is asking me like, "I'm okay. Like, you wanna go? Like, I wanna play. Are you feeling well?" He's like, "No, sir, I'm alright." And he was like, "So do you wanna play?" I'm like, "Yes, sir." So I go to the drum kit and I start playing on music. And fun fact, it increases your concentration. So that's one of the best days of my drum training. I started making my own music on spot.
Wait, it's one of your best what? I couldn't hear you.
It's one of my best drum classes days. Like
Oh,
every class I
like your
serve
best performance till
consistently.
now.
Yeah, like every time I'm jamming, okay, I make one or the other error. Like everyone in the class makes errors, but like I make the most errors. Like I take more time to play and
Right.
learn. But that day I did no errors. I played every note perfectly. I actually made my own beat at the end.
Damn.
And my drum solo it was like ये नींद में कुछ और है इसमें like इसने कुछ किया है करके रखा है like and I'm like sir it's a passion of determination sir and bhangra so yeah bhangra
Bhangra.
yeah and I know and the best part of the story is that I know this because my classmates told me from drum class. I did not know this very well. I just knew I was a little drowsy, but like, and I came back and yeah, I mean, I was pretty stupid. I slept after it. I don't remember what happened. Like I don't remember anything. I
Wow.
just remember me being the most drowsy as kid, and my friends told me what I did in class, and they asked me like, "क्या था क्या?" I'm like, "हाँ हाँ बहुत मारा गया था सर." What?
So like
Yeah.
for me, right, the most fucked I've ever been is a
No, no, no. You're
couple of.
fucked on Bhangra. Most fucked on Bhangra you ever.
I thought we were just talking about like casually
No,
being
no,
fucked.
no, 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 no.
The most fucked on Bhangra. Nothing interesting happened then. That's why. I was just sitting and at one point I was just like hearing nature noises that weren't there. And I was figuring out
Yeah.
different noises of different sounds of crickets at 12 a.m. I was able to figure out the difference in the noises of insects, and I was telling my friend who was like, "Bro, calm the fuck down." And I sat and I made 4 packets of Maggie and ate it by myself.
Oh, I think I was there. I think I was there in that day, one of these
No,
days.
you weren't.
I still remember. I was not there. Oh, I think no,
No.
that's another day. I think. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
this is not Bhanga. This is something else. Yeah. No, I remember this.
This is
Where
Dhanya. I'm
this
talking about
was.
Dhanya wala experience.
Yeah, yeah. So this is Dhania, and the thing is that see, sometimes in life when you're ordering from Swiggy, you get bad biryani and you get good biryani.
Oh my
This is the first
god.
time. So this is one of the days where we
That
didn't
was
we were not wise with
horrible.
our choices.
Now
We were
that's
not
a
wise with
real
our
BT
choices of
right there.
biryani. Yeah, it was like we were not very good with our choices of the biryani that we bought, and we ended up buying the worst mutton biryani of our lives that we had eaten,
Dude, the mutton
and
was so
like
chewy. I was spending
so
fucking
chewy.
16 hours trying to get one piece into my throat.
Chewing yeah, and it was like really really bony because like all the shit is like bones and like scrapes of mutton pieces and yeah. So I remember like before the biryani, right,
So
we
horrible.
had had a pack shawarma
Oh, right.
for before right before our dinner, and we had thumbs up with us, 2 bottles because because it's
Which we
important.
were drinking in a
First
beer
year,
glass because hum chutiya.
yeah, because we have it. It's very important. You have beer classes when you're in college. Like it's very handy. But importantly, we had two thumbs up bottles because we do not share thumbs up when we are on Thania.
No, we just bought
So,
2 bottles of thumbs up because हम लोग को पता था हम लोग को इतना लगेगा.
no, but another thing is you can't share it. We had two individual bottles. We kept drinking that from each from our bottles.
Yeah, that's just how Thanya
So
rules work.
yeah, and that shawarma thania roll हो गया, and like by the time it kicked in, like maybe 5 minutes later, I think food came, and उसके बाद we are like having food, and we realize halfway through that the biryani is extremely spicy, and Saurabh is a person who can't eat spicy food, like not
And
at
at
all.
that point, I had that condition too, which I'm not going to disclose, which wherein I wasn't allowed to eat spicy either.
Yes. So I ate all the spicy part of the masala dar biryani, which was a great experience next day morning in the toilet. Um, yes, and yeah, I mean, we ate the chewiest mutton we could have ever. But the good part of that experience was me and him eating. And this was one of those days when Saurabh actually had hair, like like long as, and I'm eating, and the thing is that time dilation होता है, ठीक है, धनिया के बाद. So during those time dilation, everything runs at
2
10
FPS.
FPS, 2 FPS to 10 FPS.
Yeah.
And in case you don't know what FPS is, it's frame rates per second. And like it happens on devices, but like it happened to
Fuck
us
the
in real life.
technical part, get to the story, my man.
Yeah, so I eat and he's eating, and I see him and he sees me. And out of nowhere, the one thing that we do is we start laughing. And to make,
It was like a romantic movie kind of moment, but not the romantic
yeah,
part.
yeah, it's just like we look at each other and we just laugh. We just keep laughing the next 5 minutes. And the best way we think to counteract laughter is to drink thumbs up while we are laughing.
And
And
that didn't end
I choked on thumbs up. Yeah, it
well.
did end well because we both ended up choking on thumbs up. And then I remember, so then there's series of events that happened. So I have my flatmates who were working at that time, and I opened the door and I went outside because I wanted to stop my laughter. I could not see him because the moment I saw him, I would crack up again. Right? So I go outside and he follows me.
Wait,
And
I
he
do?
looks at me. Yeah, yeah. You. I go outside the room so I can stop myself from laughing, and then you follow me, laughing all the way.
Oh yeah! Oh
I look back,
fuck! Oh
which is my
shit!
worst mistake. Like, there's one thing that they say in ghost stories: you never look back when you're walking forward.
Yeah,
I
this
should
guy
not have this
went
guy.
out to stop laughing. I'm laughing. I
Yeah.
go behind him. He looks at me again. We're laughing like maniacs again.
Yes. Yeah, and then suddenly, like, I have this thing, when I'm laughing, like, I kind of get too serious, like, at one point, and I start, like, I'm like, okay, it's time to be serious. I go serious. And then he laughs even more. So then I laugh again. And I start laughing again. And then there is him all the way through. He gets serious, and I can't see him serious then. So I start laughing again, so he starts laughing again. And these scenes keep on unfolding to the point where we are out of oxygen, like literally, like we are
Yeah, I was
exhausted laughing.
physically dying.
Yeah, we were dying, and then our flatmates came and calmed us down. Thanks, Ajay and Nikshant, for the if you are ever watching this.
I was
We owe you our lives that day.
physically fucking dying. I remember.
Yeah,
Like, oh my
yeah.
god, that was some fucking weird ass shit that happened there.
Yes, man. Yes, I remember those days.
Holy shit.
Lakshay, are you there?
Yep. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. How was it listening to the story, which is like 20 minutes long?
Well, one
What?
And
mad, mad.
mad. Okay, okay. Yeah, like I think Bhangra, like Bhangra and Thania are
Uh,
like two things
so,
Invigorating
that,
substances.
yes.
so for me, right, I've done a lot of shit where I've gotten extremely fucked, okay? Like, so once at one point, right, I used to host parties and call me a white trash kid, but I guess I was at one point. And at one such party, I got so fucked. I got so fucked on alcohol. Like I had drank so much alcohol that night, like an entire bottle of vodka, an entire bottle of whiskey, an entire bottle of rum, even Old Monk, and like 6 beers, and God knows how many fucking cigarettes
I
and shit.
disown you when you said old monk.
And listen, man, I'm a college student. Fuck you. So we had all this shit, and my friends and I were drunk as fuck. There's a lot of people in my house at this point, and some of these people I've just met them today, and there's like people making out here and there. I don't know what the fuck is even happening at this point. And I get this bright idea to listen to Friday by Rebecca Black. And if you guys don't know what that song is, it's the worst song made in the history of music. I play that out loud. Everyone in my house stops for a good 10 seconds, stares down at me till I change it. That was single handedly the most scariest moment of my life, witnessing 70 people stop and just stare at me in dead disgust and like fucking, what do you say? Horror. They were there like souls in a horror movie ready to fucking kill me. I'm not even fucking kidding. But yeah, long story short, I ended up making out of with a fuck ton of different people that night, and I did so much shit that I don't even remember of. And coming back to Dhanya and Bhangra, we Saurav and I have had one, what do you say, uh, beautiful experience on my birthday. I would say that was one of the most best fucking experiences of my night. And I think there was no
Yeah,
Bhangra and Dhanya involved actually. There was
yeah.
just
There was just beverages involved.
so we went to this restaurant where we were gonna go drink and eat because this place has the best beer. I'm not gonna name this place because they didn't serve us beer because we are underage, but I didn't say that. So they didn't have to sell us alcohol. So we had,
No, but we didn't end up drinking beer from that place.
yeah, that's a different thing. But that place had
We will name the place.
amazing
Yeah.
face. That place had amazing food. So we had
Oh yeah.
really good pork ribs and everything there. So
We had
because
pork ribs and calamari.
yeah, we had pork ribs
Best
and
calamari
calamari.
I've actually had.
Best birthday party I've ever thrown, honestly.
Yeah.
So we go there, we have food, and it's me, Saurav, a couple of our friends. Okay, we leave from that place.
Now, do you want to tell? you want to tell how we went there and they asked for our IDs and
No,
we
I'm
didn't
not
have
gonna get into that
ID?
part. No, no, no.
No,
But
but like, okay, so thing is, we are legal of age in Bangalore, and but we carry our online IDs, right? And see, thing is, these people don't take online IDs, like, and so you're like, okay, cool, we won't drink there, but we had to do something because I think
oh
beverages are very
yeah.
important on the birthdays.
I
So,
remember. So, wait. I need to tell this part because I remember doing this very well. Okay, so I send all my friends inside the restaurant to go get a table and sit up there, and I leave with one of our friends, Rahul. And so
so
this
yeah,
restaurant has an alcohol shop right underneath it, and we go to
yeah,
that alcohol shop
me and
and
Saurabh, me and Saurabh go inside
no, you
to
went. You were
buy.
up. You were with Shreya, Swayam,
No, no,
Matthew.
no, no, I was not. I was not. I came with you.
No, I
I
was
came
with
with you.
Rahul. I remember very well because Rahul helped me buy the vodka and the beer.
Nah, bro, I remember this. I went with you inside. I
Bro,
got, I took the beers
no,
with you,
no, dude, it
and
was
then
Rahul. You were that. You're
no,
talking about another time. It's not this one.
yeah, this is on your birthday only.
No, it was Rahul, and I
Hey,
remember very
hey,
well
hey, hey.
because Rahul and I had a
No, I
big bro
remember.
moment in there. That's why. And Rahul and I collectively laughed about it for
No,
so long.
Rahul was also there. Rahul was also
It
there
was
when
just the
I
two
was
of
there.
us. I sent the three of you. I sent the remaining of you upstairs so that you guys can secure the table. And the lesser the people are over there, the less especially to get. So you,
Hmm.
Swaya, Matthew, and Shreya, you guys go upstairs. You sit. I'm with my friend Rahul at the alcohol shop. Me and Rahul walk in there. We're deciding which beer to buy. So I buy like 6, 8 cans of Budweiser. Okay, Magnum, fucking the golden shit. And then we're
No,
like,
you did not buy the Magnum. You bought the standard ones.
no. Oh wait, I bought a Magnum for
Budget mein
myself.
aaya hai.
I bought a Magnum for
Yeah,
myself. Sorry, yeah. So I bought Magnums as well, but that was for later. So I bought the
yeah.
Sada Budweisers and I bought Magnums, and then I went and I bought. I think I bought Magic Moments because budget cuts, and a big
Hmm.
bottle of Magic Moments though, like a big fucking bottle. Okay, so we get all this alcohol and then we go back to the restaurant, and they have
We
a
are going
back.
inside.
No, they have a back check there. So Saurav and everyone are sitting up
Yeah,
there.
so they took our bottles and they were like, we will give it to you at the end.
Yeah, so like
And so we went back to the shop to give the beer bottles. Like, we'll come and collect it.
no, no,
But he said,
we didn't
okay.
do that. Yeah, he said we're not doing that. So we put the
Yeah,
bottle. Oh, right, you were with me, not Rahul. Fuck.
yeah,
Oh
yeah.
shit, my bad.
I told you. I know this better than you because I was there. I
Yeah,
bought a wine
so we
copy
went back
also.
to the wine shop. You bought a wine cupboard, exactly. You were there. So we went
Yeah.
back to the wine shop to keep our alcohol there, so we won't get caught and shit. But we go back to the restaurant, and they just keep our bag. I'm like, okay, this is safe. I guess nothing's gonna happen. We went, go up there, we chill, we eat and everything. We
Have
come
fun,
back
meet.
down.
Yeah.
We have bought a fuck ton of alcohol. I bought this alcohol for everyone, and Saurav bought a bottle of wine for him and his then ex. Okay, it's a
Yeah.
small bottle. So we finished the meals, and we are such big idiots. We go down this dark road at 11 in the night.
No, no, no. But before the dark road, we start with the vodka, right? And we do it in the middle of the road, right in front of
The
the
restaurant.
restaurant.
Oh my god, yes, I opened the bottle
We
and
chugged
we
half.
chug it.
I chugged a part of that bottle. Uh,
We all chugged a
yeah,
little
I
bit
mean,
of it, not all, because we want to
yeah,
save it, right?
yeah, yeah,
So Shreya chugged a little because she was about to leave.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
we kept the bottle and we were like, okay, we're not gonna drink it, let's go drink somewhere else. So we go ahead, we find this place that's incredibly dark. And we walk down that alley, we're sitting there. We're not sitting, we find this car, we're just resting against that car. We open our beers
Yeah,
and we have vodka, we have cigarettes and everything. We're drinking and smoking.
yeah.
We're sober, okay?
And fun
Five
fact that
minutes later,
those cigarettes were a gift from my side to Saurabh. And
yeah.
because
So
I forgot to buy something for him.
that's
Like, I mean,
fine.
forgot as in like, I ordered that day, but like, I mean, it's all obviously
I
come late,
told these
so.
cunts no gifts, they don't listen to me. So I guess my
No,
bad.
I gave cancer for to him on his gift. Like, that's how far one
So
goes.
we are drinking. 5 minutes later, all of us are squashed. All of us, except Swaya, my roommate. He's sober. Everyone else drunk. Drunk out of their heads drunk. Okay? We are
No,
still drinking.
I think tipsy. I was not drinking
Yeah,
with the
I
money
was
though.
drunk because it's my birthday, these cunts made me chug everything instead of drinking it.
Mm.
So these people
You were
forced me
the
to chug it, and I
yeah.
was like, okay, fine, birthday kar dunga. I did it, and I am drunk out of my fucking head. So after this,
And then
these guys are
we
still.
get
So two of these. So I think you and Matthew are hungry.
Matthew are very hungry, so we go to Leon Grill
Yeah.
for
So
chicken
these people
wings.
go to a restaurant, okay, and we are all out of
And we're
alcohol. We
having,
have no alcohol
yeah,
left. We have just that Magnum wala can which I saved for myself later.
yeah, and they had wine. Yeah, and we had the vodka bottle, and I had bought a small one.
Yeah. This is
And
where the fun part comes. So
Saurabh at this point is gone. So he's like, you know what? इतना पी लिया है, तो इतना ड्रंक हो चुका है, तो और भी पीने में क्या जाता है?
no, I don't do that.
तो
Okay, so I'm like Saurav, can I taste your wine once?
yeah,
Saurav is like, ठीक है, birthday ले ले. So I'm like, okay, so I taste his wine. I'm like, dude, this is really good. So instead of tasting it, I take a big fucking sip. And Saurav is like, bro, आधी bottle खाली हो गई. We're in the middle of a restaurant, okay, and I just chug half a bottle of wine, and I'm like, bro, this was really good. एक काम करना, तू इशिता के लिए दूसरी bottle ले ले. I fucking finished the fucking wine bottle, okay, in the
yeah,
restaurant.
yeah,
Saurabh just looks at me in complete sadness. He's like, bro, मैंने मेरी girlfriend के लिए वो ली थी, तूने साले खत्म कर. Okay,
yeah,
and we get our Uber. So before our Uber comes, right, Saurabh and I are like, bro, sutta chahiye, bro. So we cross the roads, go to the other
yeah.
side, find the pawn shop, get the cigarettes
We get
while
the
the
most
Uber comes
chemical,
on this
we get
side.
the most chemical tasting cigarettes of our lives.
Yeah, dude, that was some weird fucking shit. Saurabh buys the cigarettes again. We come back. I lost the lighter. Yeah.
We bought the lighter
So we get out of
from
the
that.
Uber again. We go buy another lighter and we come back and sit. Okay, and inside the Uber, we're listening to music after music. I don't even remember what we're listening to. We're making Instagram stories, which are on Saurav's
Stories, yeah.
Instagram right now, guys. If you want to see,
Yeah.
it's in his
It's
highlight
Cytron
section.
ka birthday.
Okay, if you want to
It's
see,
on Cytron ka birthday.
yeah, if you want to judge
We
our
are singing.
friendship, then go see MacFlash
Yeah.
ka Citron ka birthday wala story highlights. It's a
Yeah.
trip.
And we were singing a song called Everybody Wants to Know the World by Tears of
We were singing we were fucking singing क्या कहते हैं Gori Gori, okay, that's how low we sung.
Gori, yes. Yeah. That's a guilty pleasure of ours.
And we're fucking squash drinking fucking hell, and we reach our place and we're drinking even more. I have my hair open, I'm headbanging in the back of in the back of the Uber, okay,
Yeah.
and we're just drinking. Oh my god, that story is full of cringe, okay, it's literally
Half
cringe.
of,
Literally everyone's drunk and
half
it's
of it.
cringe as fuck. And after that, okay, we fucking going back to my place. I pee out in the not in the public. I pee on the side of the road because of how drunk I am. Saurabh goes home, my roommate and I go back up. We fucking, I'm like, bro, थोड़ा birthday बाकी है. My roommate से क्या करना है? I'm like, चल पुदीना लेते हैं. I make a पुदीने का spring roll, and me and my roommate. That's it.
On my spirits again. Yeah.
And I
Because
pass out on my bed with happy thoughts, happiest I've ever been. Best birthday of my entire fucking life, thanks to these guys. And with that being said, here's Intoxication with Saurabh and Saurabh featuring Lakshay Beniwal.
yes. Yes.
aka
AKA what?
Hello.
Hello, you said something?
Foxbat.
Foxbat, or you can call him Foxbat. But yeah, guys. So I hope you guys had a good time today. You know, Lakshya's Instagram would be in the description. Follow him. You know, he has a
Yes.
air spotting account where he clicks pictures of planes. Interesting stuff.
Yes.
Really good
And
photography.
really good pictures, to be honest. Like one of the best aviation photographers I have seen.
So yeah,
So please check his page out. Please do follow us on Spotify for our upcoming episodes and subscribe to us on YouTube. Uh, like, share, and subscribe because we want all the love that we can get. And please share this video because we need viewers because 5 viewers a day is not enough. And yes, and for those of you who are diligently watching our videos, thank you so much.
and keeping up with the
for-
content, that means a lot. You guys have no
Yeah.
idea.
Yes, you are keeping up with this cringe in our
You
life.
guys are the reason we will still have the will to go on.
Yes, yeah. Yes, man. And Lakshya,
Thanks.
do you have anything to say?
Yeah, Lakshay. Any final
Coming
words?
on the topic of toxic.
Right.
I think that yeah, we should tone it a bit, but it's important for the fun we have a bit of that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
definitely.
yes.
Here's a little lesson for
Yeah.
you guys. We're not all alcoholics and ganjeris. We are civilized, decent
I
people
mean,
too.
at least that's what we say we are not.
Shh.
In the heart, we
Shh. Shh.
are.
इनको नहीं
See, we
जानना.
don't, we don't, we don't condone the use of any substances or alcohol on our show.
But the law
But
does, and we'll stop right there.
see, we don't condone. But
So
if you
yeah,
want to do it with us,
hit us up.
we are
Do it
very
at your own
happy.
risk. We didn't tell you to do it, but that drinking game was also on you if you guys did that.
Yeah,
By the way.
that
So
was.
yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. And small announcement: the next two episodes, we're nearing the end of our first season. So we only plan 10 episodes per season, and with that being said, season 1 of Saurabh and Saurabh Talk Shit podcast is going to be coming to an end in 3 weeks. So
Yes.
with that being said, our next two episodes are going to be a linked episode. We are going to do another sort of a closing
Special
episode.
episode.
Special, you could say. We say that almost about every episode, but it's special to us. So
Yes.
fuck you guys. But we're doing this interesting episode on film, and those of you who are interested in that topic, you might really enjoy it. Because myself, I'm a film student, and this is something I'm really, really excited for myself. So yeah, be sure to catch us for the 8th and 9th episode, and the season finale is going to be big. We have something really special in mind, which we hope we can pull off. So you know what, guys, we'll catch you guys next Friday, and don't do drugs, kids. Love you, and I hope you didn't die from alcohol poisoning.
And do drugs and alcohol.